Hi family, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As you can see, I'm so excited. Guess why? Okay, let me show you. There's this Chinese contact I got newly. They deals on wigs. When I mean wigs, SDD wigs. So I said let me try them out. And after 12 days, they sent my package. So let's open it together. I've not opened it before. Let's open it together. I'm showing you just for you to see that it's from China direct. Okay, so let's open it together to see what is inside. Actually, I ordered for 3 weeks. Yeah, for 3 weeks. Yeah, I've opened it. God, who know what is inside? 3 weeks. Okay, so this is number 1, number 2. Well, what is this? Maybe gifts we are going to say. And this is 3. Yeah, I ordered for just 3 weeks, sample weeks. Okay, let me see how their texture or how their strand looks. So good. Now I was so scared to bring this out, but anyway, let's see. This is 14 inches bouncy coil, small bouncy coil. So let's say it. As you can see, I smiled because the hair is giving what it should give. If you touch this hair, it's very soft and rushy. Yeah, it's very soft. Oh my God, I love what I'm saying. So let's fit it in. The crochet is 4x4 crochet. Okay, so look at it. Wow, the hair is so beautiful. Look at the coils. Wow, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. According to them, is SDD. They deals on SDD. Okay. Wow. So let's check the second one. Let's see what is inside. I'm looking for the net actually. Okay, finally I found it. So I removed the net. This one is also 4x4 crochet, but a side pattern. Yeah, they parted it by the side. They call it design coils. That's the name, designed coils. Yeah, like we did to the first one, let's wear this one too to see how good or bad it is too. Okay, so this is me fitting it in. Okay, wow, the texture of this hair, I must confess, is bomb. It's very soft and rushy. It's giving that PC coily softness. Okay, look at it. That pattern. So let's test number 3, the third one, which is the final one, and this one is Odegu of them all. Yeah, this is T frontal PC coil wig, 16 inches. Look at it. My camera does not do justice to this video, but what he's saying, I'm loving the texture and the strands. Okay, so let's fit it in too. And one thing you should know is that these 3 wigs comes with adjustable straps. Okay, yeah, 3 of them comes with adjustable stripes. You can tighten it, you can loosen it to fit the size of your hair. So look at it. Like I've said, this is T frontal 16 inches PC coil, and look at me, I'm so happy because the texture of the 3 wigs really gave what it should give. So lastly, let's see what the small package is all about. And this is me trying to unbox it to see what is inside. I'm removing the net. Let's see what we have there. Sorry guys. It's taking time, bear with me. So look at it. Wow, that's a fringe. You know, there are 2 ways you can use this. There are 2 ways you can use this. One, you can use it for your closure wig. If you want that closure to have something like fringes, you can use it. You can use it for your gel up hairstyle, okay? So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do well to do so. Like, comment and share my video. And this is part 1 of this video. Subscribe so that you won't be left behind when I be posting part 2, because I'm going to comb out these hairs to see how it looks. Until then, bye.